The Aipas F3 immediately impresses with its rugged yet sleek design. The bike's frame is sturdy, made from high-quality materials that feel durable and capable of withstanding various terrains. The matte black finish with bold Aipas branding gives it a modern, stylish look. The bike is equipped with large, fat tires, ideal for providing stability on rough trails, city roads, and even sandy beaches. This all-terrain capability is further supported by a robust rear rack, allowing for extra storage options. The foldable design is another standout feature, offering practicality for urban commuters who need to save space at home or in the office. The Aipas F3's design merges functionality with aesthetics. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. The unboxing of the Aipas F3 bike was a smooth and exciting process. The box included essential components like the front and rear fenders, a seat, pedals, and tools for assembling. A user manual was also provided, guiding us through the setup with ease. Inside the package, the bike was well secured with protective foam and padding to prevent any damage during transit. Upon opening, we found the bike's main frame neatly folded, showcasing its compact design and portability. The well-organized packaging allowed for a quick and hassle-free setup, setting a positive tone for our experience with the Aipas F3 bike. Performance and features. The Aipas F3 bike packs a punch with its impressive range of features. Powerful motor. Equipped with a powerful electric motor, the Aipas F3 offers an excellent boost on inclines and rough terrains. The motor provides smooth acceleration, making it easier to tackle longer distances without fatigue. The bike's battery supports a decent range, allowing for extended rides. This makes it suitable for both daily commuting and weekend adventures. The front suspension system does a great job of absorbing shocks, ensuring a comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. Road enthusiasts who need a bike that can handle various terrain types without compromising rider comfort. The dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, which is essential for safety on both steep descents and crowded city streets. They respond quickly and efficiently, instilling confidence while riding. The Aipas F3 seat is ergonomic and well padded, designed for long rides without causing discomfort. The adjustable seat height adds to the customization options, accommodating different rider preferences and ensuring a better fit. Fat tires. The fat tires not only enhance stability, but also contribute to better traction on slippery surfaces like sand, snow, and wet roads. Rear rack. The addition of a rear rack is a practical feature for those looking to carry additional items. Whether it's groceries or camping gear, the folding feature was easy to use, and the compact size made it simple to store in a car trunk for longer road trips. Overall, the riding experience was comfortable, efficient, and adaptable to various terrains, making it a fantastic all-rounder. In conclusion, the Aipas F3 bike is a solid choice for anyone looking for a versatile, powerful, and stylish e-bike. The bike's battery life, fat tires, and reliable braking system add to its appeal, offering both safety and performance. The Aipas F3 bike combines convenience, performance, and style, proving to be a well-rounded e-bike that meets a range of needs. Whether you're navigating busy streets, exploring trails, or simply commuting to work, the Aipas F3 bike is ready to deliver a reliable and enjoyable ride. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.